Smart Choice replacement water filters are a breath of fresh air for your refrigerator. A clear stream flowing through the heart of your kitchen. These filters are not mere replacements. They are guardians of purity, standing watch over every drop of water and every cube of ice you consume. The 3-pack ensures you have a continuous supply, a wellspring of clean, crisp water at your fingertips. They are genuinely crafted to replace Frigidaire ULTRAWF PureSource Ultra and WF3CB PureSource 3. So you can be confident in their perfect fit and flawless function. Moreover, each filter acts as a silent sentinel, diligently trapping impurities so that your family can enjoy the cleanest, most delicious hydration possible. Ultimately, these filters provide peace of mind, a tranquil certainty that what you're drinking is as pure as a mountain spring. A simple yet profound luxury in your daily life. Furthermore, the convenience of the Smart Choice replacement water filters is a testament to their thoughtful design. They are an effortless upgrade, and the installation process is as simple as a gentle turn of a key. You can easily remove the old filter and install the new one in moments, with no tools or complicated instructions required. In addition, the 3-pack offers exceptional value, a reservoir of clean water for months to come. It's a proactive choice, a way to stay ahead of the curve and ensure your water quality never falters. Indeed, these Smart Choice replacement water filters are more than just a product. They are a commitment to a healthier lifestyle. A small investment with a huge return in terms of taste and well-being. Consequently, you can trust that your water will always be clear, and your ice will always be pure, a consistent source of refreshment that you and your family deserve. Finally, the impact of these filters extends beyond mere function. They are a subtle but significant enhancement to your culinary and hydration experiences. Imagine the crispness of your morning coffee, brewed with water free from residual chlorine, or the clarity of a perfectly crafted cocktail, its ice untainted by impurities. Similarly, consider the simple pleasure of a glass of cold water, its taste unmarred and its essence revitalized. The Smart Choice replacement water filters are the unsung heroes of your kitchen, working tirelessly to transform ordinary tap water into something extraordinary. Therefore, choosing this genuine replacement is not just about maintenance. It is about elevating your everyday moments and savoring the true flavor of life. Pros: extremely good substitute, works as good as name brand, better price, easy installation. Works great, fits perfectly with no leaks, improved water's taste, clears up fast, no water flow issues, fast shipping, makes own ice cubes again, quick and easy to install, great filter. Perfect cons: possible lesser quality filtration, shorter than the original filter, uncertainty about chlorine removal features. Type: refrigerator water and ice filter. Quantity: 3-pack, genuine replacement, replaces Frigidaire ULTRAWF filter, replaces Frigidaire WF3CB filter, PureSource Ultra compatible, PureSource 3 compatible, improves water quality. The Smart Choice SCWF3CTO3PK refrigerator water and ice filter is a 3-pack of genuine replacement filters for select Frigidaire refrigerators. It is designed to replace both the Frigidaire ULTRAWF PureSource Ultra and WF3CB PureSource 3 filters, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of models. This filter works to improve the quality of your water and ice by reducing contaminants, providing a cleaner, better tasting drinking experience. The Smart Choice SCWF3CTO3PK refrigerator water and ice filter is a highly rated, budget-friendly alternative to genuine Frigidaire ULTRAWF and WF3CB filters. Customers praise its easy, leak-free installation and perfect fit, noting that it works just as well as the name brand product. Users report improved water taste and that the filter restores ice-making function with no issues with water flow. While some users question its filtration quality, particularly its effectiveness in chlorine removal, the majority find it to be a great, fast-acting filter that offers excellent value for the price.